Hello, my name is Emily Ball. I'm very excited to be teaching IB English 11 again this year. IB English 11 is a really great class, and you should be proud of your student for deciding to take this journey. Now, IB English is really exciting because there's a lot of discussion, there's a lot of in-depth analysis, and those are some of the big differences between IB and regular English, in case you're wondering about that. IB English is actually a 2-year course, so they will still get grades. They'll do everything this year, but they won't actually take their test, IB test, until next year. We do have some assessments this year. Actually, what we're working towards is an assessment called the individual oral, and you'll probably hear your student refer to it as the IO. It'll be in the spring. And so what they're going to do for their IO is they are going to take 2 different texts, one that will be a work in translation and one that will be a work originally written in English. And they're going to look at those 2 texts and look at their treatment of a global issue and how do both those authors look at the same global issue. So it's a very exciting content. This is the second year with this new content, and it's going to be really fun. We noticed that our kids are, much more globally minded after taking this class. We also do a lot of ACT prep, which is very important. I know a lot of parents are nervous about the ACT coming up, and a lot of kids are too. So that's something that we'll be working on this year as well. As far as this specific trimester, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the things they carried. And after the things they carried, then we are going to work on survival in Auschwitz. So supplies that a student might need. Really, I think if your student has a set of colored pencils, that's something that could come in handy for them. It's going to be a little bit different year with the distance learning, so probably a lot more will be on iPad than on the paper, but colored pencils are a good thing to have. Also, your child does not need to buy books, but if they're the kind of student who likes to write in their books or take notes in their books, that's something that they could absolutely do. I know the things they carried is available on Amazon, really inexpensive. So you can go and look at that. And also Survival in Auschwitz is, as I said, the other text for this try. So if you have any questions about IB or about IB English, please make sure you let me know. One other very exciting thing this year is that I do have a student teacher. His name is Mr. Hook.
Hi everyone, I am Mr. Adrian Hook. I will be here for the first 2 trimesters. I am a student at Valley City State University in Valley City, North Dakota. That's where I am from originally. And I'm very excited to be here for this school year because it's a very unprecedented school year with everything that's happening in the world.
So if you have any questions, please feel free to email. My email address is eball, B-A-L-L, @sawashco.org. And Mr. Hooks is hadrianst20 @sawashco.org. You can also give us a call. Our extension is 5728 if that helps, if you'd rather just chat. We look forward to meeting your students. We look forward to working with you to have the most wonderful year possible. Have fun, stay safe, be happy, take care.